that another one to the left? Wow. It's a monster. Absolutely. This is the real one in front of us still. Oh, it's on the road! It knocked a semi over in the road in front of us. Semi over in the road. Good night, look at that. It just now knocked this semi over. Well, I gotta check on this driver here, guys. I gotta check on this driver.
Okay.
All right, we're getting tornado winds now. Hold on.
Gonna hit the probe! Get down here, guys! Yeah, right, this is a wedge tornado. I deployed a probe just down the way. A camera probe is probably gonna get hit by this thing. It's coming back at us! Get down here! Right there, guys. I'm gonna get out.
Yeah.
It's like all of a sudden getting brighter. What is this? This is so weird. Well, I know what this is. This is called weather, but like
Rain.
rain.
Yeah.
Whoa, dude, it is. It's getting brighter and brighter.
Oh, two monsters! Oh boy, look at that. Wind's getting here now. What are you doing? Need to get out. Holy
Calco.